Well, what are we doing today, Merrick?
I don't know.
Unboxing the Dewalt. Look at this. This is brand spanking new. Yay! Are you? Look, see, this is where the money is. Plastic trays, love it. Margaret, that can go on the table.
Yeah, Margaret.
Here's the other water tray. That's beautiful. I want to smell it. It smells so good. No?
Small for plastic.
Yeah. Two plastics. Okay.
And a metal chain for the cap.
Yeah, see?
Is it a cork
That's
or
a nice drain plug. That's solid, right? You know what I mean?
And it's in the bottom, not on the
Yeah.
side.
And in the middle, right? That's it. You put a bucket under the middle. And the water goes right in the bucket. Okay. That's the main tray. Beautiful. No?
What other goodies do you have
You got the manual.
here? And the
And
saw blade.
it comes with a nice blade. But baby, the puppy, the tray, the cutting tray. Wow. What a big difference. Look how solid. The rubber, non-slip. You know, nice bearings, the wheels. That's beautiful. Yeah, see, so this is the, that's it.
What is that thing?
It's the monster.
Mm-hmm.
No?
What is this?
This is the Dewalt.
This is a
10
friendly
inch.
channel.
Look. Let's see. This is the pump. The extension cord. Oh, it even has the breaker, a GFCI built in. Right? Nice. Here's the extension. See, it even comes with an extension for that.
And the guide piece
Yeah, and here
is the guide. Nice.
the gauge for the 45s. Cast aluminum. That's beautiful. This I don't think we're gonna need for now, so we'll just put it aside, right? Okay, now we need a forklift. Merrick,
Yeah?
go get the forklift.
Okay.
Ready?
Please stand by.
No, it's just,
Look
remember, no. So there's the tray. This is like Christmas. Every day. This is the pump, for sure. Yeah. The pump,
Oh, there's a piece.
brass fitting. Holy cow. Very heavy.
But probably
And
wasn't
this
raw.
is the cover, so that nothing, no debris gets into the pump. There you go. Put that aside. And that's it. What a Cadillac, eh? Beautiful. All cast.
Nice.
Stainless
Now, this is
steel
what you
bar.
buy for pillows.
Right? Stainless steel nuts, bolts, and screws. Beautiful. Let's get this puppy on the table. It's a little heavy. Okay.
Holy.
Yeah, everything. This does everything. Yeah, okay, so what's the front of this? I would say this here. I don't know if it's going to be easier to assemble. So that's it's in there. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the D24000. Right, we're gonna put it together. Actually, I'm gonna let Margaret and Merrick put it together. We'll unbox the stand. So this saw came with the stand as a package. this is all the parts just for the stand. Because it comes with legs. That's a solid stand. Just have to add the legs. And that's it, right? The legs are in this box. These are the extensions, right? The leg extensions. The nuts and bolts. Anyways, there you have it. The Dewalt D24000 with the stand. Complete set. Margaret and Eric are going to put it together.
If you don't know who Margaret.
Hello everyone, it's Edward from Ideal Direct Home Improvements. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to hit the like and share, and if you can, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.